Okay, what we got here is a pretty corroded battery. Normally I would just clean it with one of these, but I'm going to take this one right out and clean it out of the car because it's pretty bad. Well, first I'll take this is part of the intake, just pops out. Take that out. Okay. And I'll take the negative off. Get the side positive. And I got this little secret I got for cleaning, keeping these clean. At least on my truck they stay nice and clean. Alright, we'll take the baby right out. Set her down here. Yeah, let's pull this out quickly. Okay. Clean these off while the battery's out. See, this is all crusty. I'm going to spray those down. Okay, I'll clean it with a brush. The outside of this one too. Okay. And I'll blow it out again. Okay, and let's clean the battery now. Okay, so I'll spray her up. It's got soap and water. Take a little brush to it. Okay. You know, if my trick doesn't work, what I do is I put like some oxy pads on these, the felt pads, and the chemical in them, I think, keeps it from corroding. At least it does on my truck battery, but I've been doing that for years. If it doesn't work, then it probably needs a new battery or something in the charging system, but overcharging maybe. I don't know. She just got this car, so we'll see. Okay, so I'll take it and put it back in. Okay. There she goes. Okay. Okay, that's good. It's in there nice. I'm going to clean the inside of these a little better. Okay, that's for my secret. Here it goes. Take my gloves off, it's easier. Take these pads. Take two at a time. Fold it up. Snip that corner off. One on there. Take another two. Snip that corner. Voila. Let's see how if that does the trick. Okay. And just reinstall it. Positive. That's it for that one. And this negative, I got these covers for it. Got them at Advanced Auto. Should slide through here. Oh, you know what? I got to take this bolt off here first. Let me get this bolt off and then it'll slide on. Okay, put it on again. There. You got to slip these on first. Now the bolt. Okay. Alright. Negative to negative. Okay, that's it. It should go on there really nice. There. As you could spray this up a little bit and clean it. But that's it. The job's done. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Take care and keep on wrenching.